What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Charles? Quick demo video for you for your Korbanth Malak. As you know, I got this done yesterday. This is installed with a CFX. You've got CC sabers, for your main lit PCB. 2-button setup. So you got your front dome tactile here is your activation, and your back one is your auxiliary. These are a press fit into this plate, and then this plate in turn is a press fit into the saber, so it's not glued in any way. How you get to your board is you just unscrew this pommel area right here. Oh. You got to be careful with the pommel. It does come off in 2 places. It comes off right here, which you don't want to unscrew, so just leave that screwed in. You just want to unscrew this entire piece right here, and then you've got your speaker pod that has a 24mm Smuggler's Outpost speaker in it right here, and it's static. It doesn't move, okay? And then once you take that off and you look in here, you've got access to your the SD card and the micro USB for the CFX. You've got your 1.3mm recharge port, and then you've also got a kill switch right here. So what we want to do is we want to flip that kill switch. See the light come on. That's a good sign. And then we can put this, go ahead and screw this back in. This just has the stock font package on it. I'm sure you'll be doing your own thing, but for right now, it's just the stock fonts. Once we get that speaker screwed in, we can hit activation. Got your LEDs firing up in there like they should. It's got the smooth swing and auxiliary back here. And you can hold it down for blade lockup. And we just turn it off like that. We'll put a blade in this guy. It takes a 1-inch diameter nail pixel blade, and what you want to do is just unscrew this emitter right here. So we'll take this off. Once you take that off, you'll see your set screw for your blade. You're going to have to back that out a little bit. Just get you an Allen key and back it out. And we'll put the blade in. Tighten it down. Just make sure it comes on real quick. So once you've got the blade locked down, then you can take your emitter piece, come over your blade, and lock it down in, just like that. You don't have to do it tight, but you can if you want to. But now it's all locked in. We can turn it on. If you want to change color, just hold down aux and twist your wrist.
Spectrum.
You hear that? And now you can twist the saber and cycle through different colors. If we want this blue, we'll just hit power. We get the blue. And now we've got a blue blade, right? To change sound fonts, just hold down auxiliary when the blade is off.
Sound bank selection.
And we'll use either button to cycle up or down.
Crystal focus. Crystal focus. Nebula. Nebula.
When you find one you like, just hold a button down.
Nebula. Nebula.
Good flash on flash. We'll test the speaker pod too here. It's a little bit of a tradition on my channel. If I put a speaker pod in a saber, I test it vigorously. So, saber's on. Speaker pod's good to go, right? We'll go to another sound font.
Sound bank selection. bad things tend to happen. Spectrum.
There's a purple blade. So yeah. We'll go ahead and take the blade out. Everything's working in here exactly like it should. Unscrew this real quick. Before you put your emitter piece back in, you'll want to take your blade retention screw, which is right here, and just put it back inside a little bit, because if not, that emitter piece won't slide over. Just like that. And then we'll come back over here and we'll unscrew this guy again, and then I'll show you that the kill switch works right. So if we turn this guy on, we can see the light, but we don't have any sound, obviously, because the speaker's not in. And then I come over here and flip the kill switch. It cuts everything off just like that. So yeah, everything's working in here. That's basically your Malak. Let me know if you got any questions, and if everything looks good to you, I will get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.